Okay, so hey everybody. Today we are going to unbox a budget smartphone that is Redmi Y2. Now this smartphone was launched at the time of 2018. Yeah, it is an old smartphone, but I was getting a good deal for this smartphone. So I thought, why not just purchase it and test out this smartphone. So hello guys, this is Umang Jawar from Technology Overdose. Let's begin. As you can see, there are some important specifications of this phone. Now this phone comes with a 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel rear camera, a 5.99 inch not full HD, it's just HD plus display, and a Snapdragon 625 processor. Okay, so let's break away this seal. Okay, so as you can see at the top there is this Redmi Y2 smartphone. Let's keep this aside, right? And what else? Let's see what else we get in the box. And okay, some documentation regarding this product, right? Okay, so and you do get a soft TPU case. As you can see. Okay, so let's keep this aside, and you get a 10-watt charging brick, right? And a normal USB A type cable. Okay, so let's wait, and you do get a SIM ejector tool also in the box, as you can see. Okay, so let's keep this everything aside, and let's get to our main smartphone, right? So first impressions, well, the design is very simple, I would say, and it is plastic built. Obviously you can't expect much in this price range. So yeah, talking about price, well, this smartphone costed me at 10,000 rupees, but now its price has been increased to 13,000 rupees. Right, okay, so you get a plastic build here, and let's take this peel off. Okay, the screen is 6 inches. I mean, the phones in 2020 you get are so big in display. You get 6.67 inch, 6.5 inch. So if you are a user who needs a small screen size than the 6.7 inch, etc., then I think this phone might help you if your budget is around 10,000. Okay, so coming to the physical overview, at the bottom you get dual speakers. Now this is amazing because I have Poco X2, and in that I get only a single mono speaker, but this phone comes with dual speakers. We'll do a speaker test later in this video. You get a normal charging port. You on the left hand side you get a SIM tray. On the top you get an headphone jack, a secondary microphone, and on this you get volume rockers and power button. And at the back side you can see this is the camera module, and you get a rear fingerprint sensor, which we'll be testing also in this video, right? So since we have talked about this SIM tray, let's check out, is it a triple slot or no. Yeah, it is a triple slot, so you can insert 2 SIMs and 1 micro SD card to expand this storage. Okay, so this was everything about outside from the phone. So let's just boot up this phone. So okay, so talking about weight of this phone, well, this phone weighs around 168 grams. Okay, I'll just quickly set up this phone. Okay, so as I said that there is a fingerprint sensor here, so I have set my fingerprint sensor. So let's test out this fingerprint sensor. Okay, nice. Okay, so the fingerprint sensor is quite fast at this price range, and it is also accurate. Okay, so let's talk some more details about this smartphone. So out of the box, this smartphone comes at MIUI 9, Android 8. But as soon as I just booted this phone, I just got an update of MIUI 10 also. So, and this phone has Snapdragon 625 processor in it, and a 4GB RAM and a 64GB storage. Now, you don't have more options under 10,000 where they provide you 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Well, this one gives you 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. And as I said that you have dual speakers here. So let's just test the speaker output once. Okay, I'll just load some video. Okay. Speaking frankly, I did not expect that this smartphone would give you that good audio output. Well, I think the dual speakers here will really give you loud enough sound here. You won't have any problem with multimedia viewing. Okay, so talking about the battery of this smartphone, well, this is the area where I think this smartphone gives you some kind of a negative impression, because this smartphone comes with a battery of 3080 mAh and a 10-watt charger. Now, charging speed is quite okay at this price range, but I would say the battery capacity should have been more, because the smartphones now, at present, there are even some smartphones of Redmi which give you 5000 mAh battery also. So yes, in terms of battery, well, I would say that this phone comes at a lower side of the battery. Well, talking about camera, now this phone comes with a 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera at the back with LED flashlight, and front side you have a 16 megapixel front camera. Here are some video and photo samples that I'm showing you on the screen, so you can yourself know the quality and how the camera of this smartphone performs. So this is being recorded from the back camera of Redmi Y2 mobile. You can see the audio is also coming from the internal microphone. I'm walking right now. You can see how the stability is, and I will just jog, and I'm just running. Yeah, so you don't get EIS or OIS, but it's okay, I would say, at this price range. And even the video quality is okay. You can see how the dynamic range is. It's a little weak, I would say, the dynamic range, but okay at the price. So again, this is being recorded from the back camera, so you can see how the autofocus is. Yeah, it is quite fast, you can see. Okay guys, so this is being recorded from the front camera of the Redmi Y2 smartphone. You can see how the video quality is, how the dynamic range is, right? And I am walking right now. You can see how the stability is. I'm also running. You can see how the stability is, right? And even the audio is coming from the internal microphone. Okay, so that was the unboxing and first impressions of this Redmi Y2 smartphone. And if you want a full review on this, then please do comment down. I will post a full review after using this smartphone for a few days. And if you want to check out this product, link will be given in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. We'll meet in the next video. Till that, stay safe, keep smiling. Well, talking about camera, now this phone comes with a 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera at the back with LED flashlight, and front side you have a 16 megapixel front camera. Now here are some camera and video samples that I'm showing on you on the screen, so you can yourself so you can yourself know the details of the camera. Here are some video and photo samples that I'm showing you on the screen, so you can yourself know the quality and how the camera of this smartphone performs. Okay, so that was the unboxing and first impressions of this Redmi Y2 smartphone. And if you want a full review on this, then please do comment down. I will post a full review after using this smartphone for a few days. And if you want to check out this product, link will be given in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. We'll meet in the next video. Till that, stay safe, keep smiling.